Infinite series explained. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are finite and infinite series? How do you identify them? 2. What are diverging and converging series? 3. How do we find the sum of all terms in converging geometric series? 4. What is the comparison test of convergence? 5. What are some special types of infinite series? 6. What is the ratio convergence test? When do we use it? 7. What is the root convergence test? When do we use it? Introduction. So far, we have dealt with finite series, where the sum of all terms is easy to calculate, and with the sum of the first n terms of infinite series. In this tutorial, we will explain how to find the sum of all terms in some infinite series. This may seem impossible given that the series are infinite, i.e. their terms extend to infinity, but we will explain that some infinite series converge to a certain value. That is all for introduction to infinite and finite number series. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 12.4.1, Infinite and Finite Number Series. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.